Namaste students. In this video, we will talk about the use of alloys and electric fuse in electrical circuits. Let's talk about the use of alloys first. Alloy, as you know, that it is the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals as well as non-metals. Alloys are used in electrical heating appliances like electric iron, electric kettle, electric geyser, electric room heaters, hair dryers, etc. The heating element is made up of alloy nichrome. NiChrome, and as the name indicates, it is an alloy of nickel, chromium, manganese, and iron. Alloy has some specific property because of which it is preferred for heating appliances. And what is it? In addition to high resistivity and high melting point, alloys do not oxidize or burn even at high temperature. That's why alloys are preferred for making electrical heating appliances. Tungsten, which is used in the filament of electric bulb, also has high resistivity and high melting point, but it cannot be used in open. It can be used only in a covered case, as you can see in the electric bulb. The case of the electric bulb contains nitrogen or argon-like gases which prevent the oxidation of bulb filament. So filament cannot be used in open. Hence, tungsten cannot be used for electrical heating appliances. Now we will talk about electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device which is used in electrical circuits to safeguard our appliances from damage due to unduly high current. Electric fuse has a fuse wire inside it which is made up of copper or tin lead alloy. Tin lead alloy is preferred because it has high resistivity but low melting point. So what happens when the excess current passes through the fuse wire? It gets heated up due to heating effects of electric current and it melts. As it melts, it breaks the circuit. And as it breaks the circuit, the supply of current to all the appliances will be stopped. Because fuse is always connected in series with the live wire. And we have studied that in series, if one of the component fails to work, then rest of the components will also stop working. So there we studied this point as disadvantage of series combination, but here in case of fuse, this has proved to be an advantageous point. You must have seen the fuses at your home. The fuse base is made up of porcelain, which is an insulator, inside which a tin lead alloy wire is fitted. Every fuse should have a definite current rating. The current rating refers to the maximum value of current that can pass through the fuse wire without melting it. You must have seen the current rating mentioned on the fuse label. If it has 5 ampere current rating, it means that fuse wire will allow maximum of 5 ampere current to pass through it. As soon as the current value exceeds 5, that is 5.1, the fuse melts and it breaks the circuit. This is necessary to protect our low rating appliances from damage due to excess current. Such 5 ampere fuse is used in circuit which are connected with our bulb, tube light, fans and other low rating appliances. For high rating appliances like electric heater, electric geyser, ACs, microwave oven, 15 ampere fuse rating is used. This is the picture of the fuse that you must have seen at your home. But nowadays these fuses are less common because they have been replaced by MCBs, which stands for miniature circuit breaker. In MCBs there is an automatic system which works on magnetic effects of electric current, due to which it gets shut off and cut the supply of electric current as soon as the excess current enters the circuit. We just have to turn it on. There is no hassle of replacement of fuse wire in it. So this was all about the use of alloys and fuse in electrical heating appliances. That's